Hello, everybody, and today we are back on Roblox. We are actually playing a new game called Island Royale. It's in testing, so it does cost a few Robux. I think it's like 100 or something. And as you can see, I'm waiting for to load us in to the game. It's basically kind of like Battle Royale. It's kind of like Battle Royale, I guess. Um, Wait for it to take me in. There's like 30, 40, 50 people in this game, so I'm not really confident that I'm gonna win, but I mean, I can try. Oh, it's loading, loading. There it is. See, there's a bus. I guess it's similar. Hey, look, the island's over there. No one's there, of course, because they're on the bus. I just need to. Ooh, should I go for that first town or should I wait? I think I should. No. Ooh, I already know where I'm gonna go. Let's see if I can make it there before anyone else. You wanna? Sometimes you might actually want to jump as soon as you can. Okay, so as you can see, I'm flying down. Oh, that guy beat me. That guy so beat me. Oh, he's not even going in for the town. Oh wait, yeah, he is. Oh, he was just dang it. Ah, he beat me. He's really gonna get good loot though. So I'm just gonna go from the far end so I can just sneak up behind him and kill him. Well, I try to kill him anyways. Mm, Let's just hopefully get in. Come on. When is this parachute gonna deploy? Everyone's beating me onto this island. Oh, yeah. Sorry, guys, but my game is a bit glitchy. I'm not the best computer. But, I mean, I can play games, so I guess it's okay. Okay, yeah. Oh, someone's already dead and I haven't even made it to the ground, guys. Yeah, that's not good. Let's make it to the top so we can break in through the roof. And, guys, there are also buildings. Building, I mean. Not buildings. Everyone knows there's building stuff. Okay, break in. Hurry, 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 hurry. Come on. Let me in. Why aren't you breaking? Please let me in. I have no weapons and there's people already. Bad idea, bad idea. I'm dead. Ah. Sorry guys, that wasn't a good game. Ah. Turns out my laptop is way more glitchy than I thought. The last two games I was playing just fine and now it just does this. Really? And yeah, see, I'm lagging out really bad. Oh, well, now it's back. I'm just turning to the lobby, but I mean, wasn't that good. Dude, come on. Yes. Well, I mean, I can't blame it all on my laptop. As you can see, nothing is final, much is to be added, changed, and fixed, expect bugs, expect things not to work. So, I guess I should expect things not to work more often. So, let's just see. As you can see, I have 310 kill, not kills. What am I talking about? Money. And you get money by getting kills. And I have gotten only 3 kills because I just started today. And, well, you start out with 250 and then you get kills and every kill gives you 15 bucks. That's why I have 310. I've gotten, no, that's a lie. I don't have three, four kills. That's why I got 310. I was like, does that math that up? Well, let's just hope I can get in a better round this time. Last time I didn't have that much luck. I got killed automatically as I landed, so that was fun. So let's just hope we can do better today. And let's see when this loads in. And we're waiting. And we're waiting. Sorry guys, it takes forever. Just that my computer, my internet's not that good. And whoa, yeah, see. Come on, let's see if I can grab a weapon for the first time in forever. I never get to grab weapons. No, they're all taken, aren't they? Yeah, they're all taken, guys. Sorry I couldn't grab a weapon today, but I mean, at least I tried. Well, I mean, unless I'm lagging out really bad. They should all be taken. Yep, they're all taken. See how many people there is? 61 people. Oh my, 60 people to be. Oh yeah, just changed. Well, I mean, let's just hope I at least get 30. I want to be at least in the 30 to 20 range. Because I don't want to die automatically this last time. And let's just see. Oh, my inventory. I have 0 resources and 1 pickaxe, which you start off with. No one can change it because this game, obviously in beta, that's why you have to pay for it. And so they still haven't added a lot, but I mean, I feel like they're gonna add stuff soon, and I'm excited for it because I love this game. We're awesome. It's fun. And as you can see, that's the island over there that we're floating to. And am I lagging? No, yeah, I was lagging. Now I can see the island on the map, but still doesn't show it. Should I go for this first one? Oh wait, this is the same one, really? Let's see. I'm just gonna go for the far off one over there. Oh yeah, as you can see, there's tons of people that are gonna beat me. So guys, I guess we're gonna have to go for the barn because these people are like, oh wow. Yeah, guys. Looks like I'm gonna die because I'm lagging out so bad and I'm so far behind. I'm still falling, which is bad because I usually don't keep falling. Weird. I should be on the floor by now, and there's people already with loot, and I got nothing, and there's like 10 people dead already. I mean, I guess it's okay. I guess I could hide, but I see someone. I'm gonna get on the roof of this building and hope I don't die. I'm gonna get on the roof of this building and see if I can get a notice because there's people right there. Oh gosh. Yeah, that's not gonna end well, so I'm just gonna stay up here. Hope I can get something. So let's just see. Oh no. Oh. Come on. Break this. Break the roof. Break the roof. Break it. Come on. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm lagging out so bad. I feel like I should just die, but I mean, I really want to get inside this building, and I mean, I'm lagging out so bad. Is it gonna load or something? Because, like, I feel like this yeah, like, there's already 33rd, and I haven't even gotten any loot. 32 people left. I guess I'm 30 people left. And people, oh gosh. Oh gosh, come on. I saw it, yeah. Pick up. And see, can I get in? Because I saw there was stuff, but I mean, I can't get in, so it really doesn't help at all. Unless I can yes, there's stuff. There's still loot. Why am I jumping? I don't want to jump. Oh gosh, no. There's still a chest no one has opened. Oh, that's just luck right there, guys. And I don't think I got a weapon. Yeah, guys, I didn't get a weapon, and I'm not expecting to get anything good soon. And I think I'm gonna die because, like, yeah, there's nothing good in here. No weapon, that's for sure. Unless, oh, there is sniper. Not bad. Let me see if I can snipe anyone. Oh wow, that's zoomed. This zooms in quite a. Oh, someone's dead body. I can loot them. Ooh, submachine shotgun. Submachine gun. Submachine gun. Yeah, there you go. I couldn't explain it right. Well, guys, looks like I'm gonna have to end it here. And if you guys have enjoyed, leave a like down below. Subscribe to my channel, and go try out this game and see how you like it. Well, this is it, guys, and I'm gonna have to say goodbye. Bye.